Hello fairies! Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a makeup tutorial and I will be using this Aqua Moisturizer from my wife. Para lang ma-moisturize yung skin natin. Ayan, basta ako. Skin yan talaga. Sometimes may people, sometimes wala. Okay, ang Precision Formula. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo. Ayan. Precision Formula. Tapos yung shade nito is light clear. And I will use this sponge. It's all over my face. Let's start. Sa under eye. Okay, fairies, I'm done. Na-blend ko na siya. And then, medyo nakulangan ako, pero nilagyan ko siya ulit. Agad siya mag-kulas. Next, magkikilay ako. And I will use this medyo dark to eh. Pang outline ko lang. Yung pairs, napadami yung lagay ko. But anyway, I will use some magic of that. Let's wait. Brow Mascara from Tupperware to It's a dark brown. Let's try para ma-spread lang natin yung hair niya. That's it. Okay, I will use this Anneclutz beginner's brush para i-clear natin yung mga sobra-sobra. Para maging pak na pak yung kilay natin. O, ayan. So, that's it. I'm done with my brow. Next is eyeshadow. Lagyan natin ng I don't have primer. Can help. Pwede na to. Para kumapit yung eyeshadow. Where are you? Here. We'll use this. I will use MAC Studio. And my transition is here. This one. So, kailangan light lang. Everything is light. Except my eyes. Again, for another shadow color. And I will use this. This one. This one gray. From Anneclutz Essential for the crease. I'm using this gray pero parang hindi siya nakikita eh. And then I'm done. And lalagyan natin ng konting lang sa gitna para medyo siya. Parang highlighter siya, this one. Para siyang yellow, very light yellow. Buff the powder. Parang ulan yata. Eyeliner. Hello fairies, here's now my finished project, and I think you can wear this on a wedding event, and then you can wear this on an event, a morning event, or going to church, or even in an office, going office, you can wear this. It's a very simple way to do this, and I hope you enjoy watching this video, and please hit the thumbs up down there, and then the subscribe kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe. So, sana nagustuhan nyo itong ginawa kong video para sa inyo lahat. So, thank you so much, fairies. That's for now. Na video yung na-record yung paggawa ko ng mixed lipstick of like this, kasi na-short yung memory ng phone ko. So, na-erase, sure na marami. Kulang yung memory ng phone ko eh. Sayang. Anyway, this is it. Sana nagustuhan nyo.